6.
A breakthrough in COVID-19 testing coming up. How you can get results in Lincoln in just 1 hour.
Nurses calling it a miracle. We're hearing from a 91-year-old woman who's made a full recovery from COVID-19.
First, COVID-19 cases rising rapidly around meatpacking plants. Now, Crete could be next. More on that in a moment. We begin tonight with breaking news. Good evening. I'm Bill Shammert.
And I'm Jennifer Ortega. Nebraska has seen the biggest single-day jump of COVID-19 cases by far over the last 20 hours. There have been 417 new lab-confirmed positives.
We've seen more big jumps in Hall County, up another 74 cases. Dawson up to 256. That's a jump of 59. Dodge County, that's the Fremont area, has nearly tripled. The death toll now stands at 46 as the case total 2,237. The biggest increase, though, tonight comes from Dakota County. That's in the northeast corner. Last week, they had 7 cases. Now, they have 246. Dakota County is also where Madison, Nebraska is and home to a Tyson chicken plant, which several cases are being tied to.
Across the country, community-spread COVID-19 cases have been tied to packing plants in rural communities, and the fear is next Nebraska town to see the same thing is Crete.
There are currently 20 cases of the virus in Saline County. Close to half have been tied to a meatpacking plant, and those numbers are expected to rise. First at 6, 10 on the Now's Bailey Bischoff has more.
I'm here in Crete, Nebraska, where right behind me the National Guard is testing residents for the coronavirus. This as there are mounting concerns that Crete could be the next hotspot for the virus.
Hello.
Hello. This is what dozens of Crete residents went through Thursday morning.
It goes way into the back of the nasopharynx.
COVID-19 testing done by the National Guard to get a better idea of how hard the coronavirus has hit Crete, as there's new concern that this rural town is about to be heavily impacted.
Very concerned. Being in a small town, that's really going to hit us.
Right now, there are 16 confirmed cases of the virus in Saline County, 6 of them tied to Smithfield Foods, a packing plant right outside city limits.
A processing plant like that is very important for the community and for the whole state, for our food supply. And so it's important to keep them open as long as we can. If everyone gets sick and they have to close the plant totally, that's not a good answer either.
Statewide, this has been a big issue at packing plants. In Hall County, 39% of their more than 600 cases are tied to JBS meatpacking plant. In Madison, Nebraska, 29 cases of the virus have been tied to the Tyson plant there. In Lexington, Nebraska, which has a Tyson plant too, there are 197 cases, the third highest in the state. Health officials fear Crete is next.
Ask those employers, work with their health department, and allow them to come into these plants or these businesses to give ideas of how to create a safer environment.
And the mayor says everyone in the city needs to continue to practice social distancing.
This is not over yet, so don't let down your guard.
Bryan Health will also have a mobile testing unit here tomorrow. If you are in the Crete area and think you need to be tested, reach out to your local health department. Reporting in Crete, Bailey Bischoff, 1011 Now.